Okay, our ingredients today are 2 chicken breasts thickly sliced, basil leaves which we've sliced up, they're going to go in the curry paste to make our green colour, sliced lemongrass, sliced Kaffir lime peel, coriander root, galangal, coriander seed, garlic, big chillies for colour, small chillies for heat, so adjust whatever you need for your heat, shallots, eggplant which I've cut and it's in water to prevent it from going black, Kaffir lime leaves, some big red chillies sliced across, and we want a good handful of basil leaves. So off we go then, we're making our green curry paste in with our salt and our coriander seed. We're going to put all the hard stuff in first to grind up. Lemongrass, Kaffir lime peel, coriander root and galangal. So we start with all the hard stuff first, give it a good mashing, turn it into a bit of a paste before we start adding our garlic, shallots and chillies. So in with our garlic, shallots, start to give it a mash, and then put the chillies in and mash it into a paste. Okay, now when we got down to a paste, we want to add our basil leaves, and this will turn our already green curry paste green. There we have a decent green curry paste. Now we need to add our shrimp paste and just actually stir that in. Just nice and easy, straightforward. That's our green curry paste done. Now our coconut milk, I'm using a Roy D brand today, but use any coconut milk you like. Okay, put the flame on, low to medium, and add about 200 mils of coconut milk. And what we're going to do is cook this coconut milk until we get a bit of an aroma and it seems to be splitting a little bit. Now, different coconut milks split at different stages. Okay, but just reduce it down until it's quite thick, and then we're going to add our curry paste. So stir our curry paste in and cook this until we get a really good aroma come from our curry paste, and just keep cooking it nice and gently until we get the oil split around the side. That's the coconut oil and the oil from the paste. You will see the oil split around the side of the paste. Then add our chicken, and what we need to do is cook our chicken until about 80% done. Just keep giving it a gentle stir. You know, we don't want to actually burn anything on the bottom of the pan. Then we add another 200 mils of coconut milk, stir that in. We end up with a nice creamy consistency already. Okay, add half a tablespoon of fish sauce. This is our saltiness. We only add half a tablespoon to start off with, and we'll adjust later. Add 1.5 tablespoons of palm sugar. That's our sweetness in our curry. Okay, put in our eggplant, and we want to cook for about 5 minutes. That's all. And then we want to add our Kaffir lime leaves. Stir it in, close it over. Just 5 minutes only. That's all we need. quick stir, make sure it's not sticking on the bottom. Adjust to taste. Now mine is not quite salty enough for me, so I'm adding a little bit more fish sauce. And that is our curry cooked. So all we need to do now is stir in our basil leaves and our sliced chillies, and after about 30 seconds we can serve. All we're trying to do is just soften the leaves a little bit, that's all. We're not making them soggy. There we have it, guys. Green curry made. There we are, guys, green curry made at home. Very easy, very quick, nice and simple. Fresh herbs, chicken, coconut milk, absolutely delicious. And if you like what we're doing, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.